Dear students, in this video, I start the chapter 8 similar triangles. Now, introduction part. Welcome to Maths World 111 111 AP and Telangana State 10th class. Similar triangles introduction part. See this image. What is this? This is a tree. And what is this? This is butterfly. Are they same to see? No, because the shape of the tree is different from the shape of a butterfly. So, they are not similar figures. Now, see this image. There are two butterflies. One is the bigger one and another one is smaller one. And see one more image. There are two trees. One is a bigger tree and another one is smaller tree. So can you say these two butterflies are similar? Can you say these two trees are similar? Yes. What is the reason? Because the shape of two butterflies and the shape of two trees is same. So, these two figures are similar figures. Now, coming to geometrical figures. See here, what is this? This is a rectangle. What is this? This is a triangle. What is this? This is circle. These are geometrical figures. Are they same? Are they similar? No. What is the reason? Because the shape of rectangle, the shape of triangle, the shape of circle are different from each other. So if the shape is not same, we cannot say they are similar to each other. Okay? Now see here. These are two rectangles. One is a bigger rectangle and another one is smaller rectangle. So the length of the bigger rectangle is 9. The length of the smaller rectangle is 6 units. Coming to breadth, it is 3 units and it is 2 units. So are they similar? Yes. The only reason is the shape is same. Even though the size is different, if the shape is same, we can call them as similar figures. And one more example you see here. This is two squares are there. There are two squares. Smaller square and bigger square. The same rule. If the shape is same and even though the size is different, the size is not equal. If the shape is same, we can call these two figures as similar figures. Now see here. Two triangles and one more image, two triangles. These two triangles are similar to each other, or can you say these two triangles are similar to each other? Which of them are similar to each other? Coming to the first figure, first image, even though the sizes are different, 12, 4, 5, 15, 3, 9, the sizes are different, we can call them as similar triangles because the shape is same. But coming to second figure, coming to second image, there are two triangles here. Triangle ABC, triangle DEF. Are they same? Are they similar to each other? No. They're same to see, but we cannot say they're similar to each other because in case of triangles, the most important point, you listen carefully. In case of triangles, not only the shape, but also the corresponding angles, angle B, angle E are corresponding angles. Angle A and angle D are corresponding angles. Angle C and angle F are corresponding angles. Not only the shape, but also the corresponding angles must and should be equal. Here, triangle ABC and triangle DEF are not similar to each other because angle B is 70 degrees here. It is 50 degrees here. So both are not equal. Here also it is 50 degrees and 60 degrees. Both are not equal. So they are not similar to each other. Okay. Now finally the points to note, the important points to note from the introduction part. The first one, the geometrical figures which have the same shape but are not necessarily of the same size. The size may be different, but the shape motion should be same. They are called as similar figures. The second one, all squares are similar. Okay. The third one, all circles are similar. The fourth one, all equilateral triangles are equal. Coming to triangles, the angles may be different. So in particularly I am saying all equilateral triangles are equal. But the only condition in case of geometrical figures is, not only their same shape but also their corresponding angles must and should be equal. I am repeating, in case of geometrical figures, not only their same shape but also their corresponding angles must and should be equal. Then only they can be called as similar figures. So this introduction part is completed for the chapter similar triangles. If you clearly understood the introduction part for similar triangles, please give a like for this video, and for further more videos subscribe the Maths World 111 YouTube channel.